We're 2 days into 2018 and already the new year is treating us well. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S9 and S9 in early 2018, so, of course, the leaks are coming full force, starting with renders from this morning, and, now, the first, hands-on image of the two handsets. The leak below, spotted by Androidandme, was shared to the Chinese site Weibo, and it shows the backside of the Galaxy S9 and S9. Although it looks legit, nothing has been confirmed by Samsung. WeiboThe image also appear to line up with what we've heard so far about the upcoming phones, like that Samsung adjusted the fingerprint reader so that it sits below the rear camera housing. We can also see that the Galaxy S9 on left has just one camera, while the Galaxy S9 on the right has a dual camera setup. We can also see both phones have a shiny, glass design, resembling the predecessors. Samsung is expected to unveil both phones at Mobile World Congress in February, but it could reveal or tease some information at say next week. We'll bring you all the latest Galaxy S9 news as and when we hear it. Say 2018, what is it and what to expect from the technology show?